Hello everyone! こんにちは、抹茶侍です。It's my pleasure to help you with learning Japanese. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I upload at least one video every week. Japanese verbs are essential. They are very important to speak in Japanese. There are a lot of rules to how to use them. So, I'd like to take some time to introduce them. よろしくお願いします。はい。Today's content 1. About Japanese verbs 2. Basic verb forms 2の1 Dictionary form 2の2 Noun form 2の3 Stem form 2の4 Te form 3 Example sentences About Japanese verbs Japanese verbs has regular and irregular verbs, as in English. You don't need to conjugate verbs based on person, gender, or number in Japanese. There are 4 forms for a verb. Number 1. Plain informal verbs. For example, to eat in Japanese is taberu, and this taberu is plain and informal verb. Number 2. Polite neutral verbs. Tabemasu as to eat. Number 3. Honorific verbs. 召し上がる as to eat. Number 4. Humble verbs. いただく as to eat. Number 1 and number 2 are most common, but number 3 and 4, I'll make videos focusing on them in the future because they have their own rules. Hey, Sheepy, hey, look at the camera, Sheepy, look at the camera. Yeah, that's it. Sheepy, 羊さんほら、カメラ見て、カメラ。そう。よし Basic verb forms. Basic verb forms. 1. Dictionary form. 2. Noun form. 3. Stem form. 4. Te form. Dictionary form. It's called dictionary form or plain affirmative. It is used when the verb is placed before a noun or some particle, as well as before some grammatical items. In a casual Japanese sentence, you can use this dictionary form verbs at the end of the sentence. You can also add particle ne and yo after the dictionary form. There are videos about particle ne and yo on my channel. I'll add them in the description section below. このチーズ食べる？食べるよ。いただきます。 このチーズ食べる？ Do you eat this cheese? うん、食べるよ。Yes, I do. ない form. It's called ない form or plain present negative. It's a negative counterpart of the dictionary form. All these forms end with ない。あ、おじいさん。ドーナツ食べないの？今は食べない。ドーナツ食べないの？ Don't you eat this donut? 今は食べない。No, I don't eat it for now. はい。Stem form. This verb form has to be combined with grammatical items such as ます、ながら、に、たい、すぎる、安い、and 続ける。I'll show you some examples. Stem form plus grammatical items. Examples. 寝ます。to sleep. 寝ながら。while sleeping. 寝に。in order to sleep. 寝たい。want to sleep. 寝すぎる。sleep too much. 寝やすい。to be easy to sleep. 寝続ける。to continue to sleep. て form. This verb form ends in て or its variant で. It is used to connect the verb with other verbs and adjectives. The forms are also necessary right before auxiliary verbs such as ください、いる、見る、置く、and しまう。I'll show you some examples. て form plus auxiliary verbs. Examples. 寝てください。Please sleep. 寝ている。Be sleeping. 寝てみる。To try sleeping. Or to try laying down. 寝ておく。To sleep in advance. 寝てしまう。To fall asleep. Example sentences. Polite style Japanese. ラーメンが食べたいです。ラーメンが食べたいです。ラーメンが食べたいです。I want to eat ramen. Polite style Japanese. 話題を変えましょう。話題を変えましょう。話題を変えましょう。Let's change the subject. Casual Style Japanese サイズが合うかどうかシャツを着てみるね。サイズが合うかどうかシャツを着てみるね。サイズが合うかどうかシャツを着てみるね。I try on shirt for size. Polite style Japanese 朝ですよ。起きてください。朝ですよ。起きてください。朝ですよ。起きてください。Please wake up. It's morning. Polite style Japanese テレビを見てる間に寝てしまうかもしれません。テレビを見ている間に寝てしまうかもしれません。テレビを見ている間に寝てしまうかもしれません。I might fall asleep while watching TV. Polite style Japanese 海を見ながら夕食を食べました。海を見ながら夕食を食べました。海を見ながら夕食を食べました。I had dinner while looking at the ocean. Polite style Japanese もう帰ってしまうのですか？もう帰ってしまうのですか？もう帰ってしまうのですか？ Are you leaving already? Stretch! Oh, stretch in Japanese is 柔軟運動 or stretch. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope my video was helpful. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. See you soon! またすぐにお会いしましょう。バイ